Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2017 Nissan Rogue. Gonna be doing some front brake pads. I've already done the preliminary with the shims. They are kind of unique design, but these little clips, one piece is going to hook in here. This part is going to be facing upwards, so you see it like this. Both of the tangs are going to go underneath this one little clip, and it's going to sit on the side, and you do that for all four of them. You'll see that when we take this piece off here. All right, 14s for the bolts. Just another design issue that I would like to speak with some engineers about, but hey, you know what I mean. So as you see right here, the little tang, as it's facing down, goes back behind the clip piece when you put it in. So it makes it rather fun to do the back one. And the easiest way that I've found is turn the steering wheel all the way out so you gain access and you can see everything over here. The reason why we place these clips, if you've seen any of my other brake videos, so these clips get dirty inside right in here. That prevents the pad from moving freely and easily. So the new clips are a nice clean surface for the pad to move as it expands and contracts with the caliper squeezing. Snug fit. There's a little tabby right here too, you see, so you can't go too far in or too far out on. Ooh, pop down. Okay. So there you go. Just gotta go down inside our little groove here, and they like to pop out every once in a while, just like that. And new pads. Where'd it go? We will put a brake wear sensor, which is this. Not electrical sensor, but a sensor nonetheless. So when the pad gets down to a 3/32 of an inch, it starts going beep to let you know that it's time to change. So put it so that it's lined up right there in the middle, put it so this one's lined up in the middle, and they're going just like that. Pretty simple. Let's see, just the ones on the back of the phones. Just can't see it all the time. And all they do is just have a little tension so that it pulls the pad back so it's not touching the rotor 100%. And in their infinite wisdom, I guess prevents the pad from wearing down or making a brake noise. So that's really the only reasons why I could think that they would do something of that nature. Squish caliper back in. Put some goober on the back. And we are done. Slide the caliper back on, tighten everything back up. Slide pins move easy, so don't need to worry about opening them up to put any kind of grease on them because they're still sliding free. So that's it. Tighten everything up and away you go. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, let me know. Thank you.